Okay, so this video is just going to talk about the directory for your file. So let's say you opened up this rig, and we haven't talked about referencing rigs yet, but I just want to work on the directory, okay? So this is what I'd like you to do. It's a 3-step process. Once you do it more than a few times, it'll become ingrained in your system. So first off, project window. This is going to come up right here. And what you would do is do new, and you type in the project. You say Boni, whatever you're doing, Boni rig. I'm going to call this demo. Okay, Boni rig demo. It goes into my Maya projects. I gotta make sure this is in the proper place. Sorry guys, this needs to be just in here. Maya projects, okay? So it's Maya projects, and the new folder name is Boni rig demo, and we accept it. Step 1. Step 2 is right under it. Set project. Come over here where I go Boni rig demo. It's set. Beautiful. Third step, and that is file save scene as. Okay, it should go into that directory, projects Boni rig demo scenes, and I'll just go second pose. So this is second pose. Okay, and normally I would say neutral, and then this is my contrapposto. Okay, that's my second pose. So it's not done, but at least it's there. So from here on in, save as, Command-Shift-S, Control-Shift-S, it goes in the right directory. That's it. It's nice and simple.